Hey YouTube. Well, today I thought I'll walk the garden and share what's going on with my gardening. The one thing I want to show you is my Moringa plants. Uh, First off, I have my papaya. I got papaya here, and that's probably about 3 months now, and I'm growing it in the pot, and it seems to be doing very well. I always get these leaves on the bottom that turn yellow. Don't know why. And over here is Maria. I named it after my sister. So banana. And she's doing very well in the pot, even though I'm tempted to put her in the ground. Got a bunch of new leaves coming up all over. And reach down here is another one going there. And a couple more on the bottom. So I'm not even gonna go here. This one here is a monstera, I believe it's called. It was doing so wonderfully inside in a pot, and this is what I have now. So over here I have my sweet potatoes. I showed you in another video when I started these, the slips for these, and they were planted in the pots May 1st. Yeah, May 1st. So I'm anxiously waiting its production. And I'll come over here. And right here I have my sorrel. And you can see it's going crazy right now. I see I have one right under there. One sorrel coming out there. But that's all the sweet potato growing right there. And then all the sorrel over there. And let's see here. We have these growing up here that are Chinese spinach. I forgot the exact name for it. It's just Chinese spinach. And I have it going on in three pots. This one is this pot here and this pot here. Since it's been raining so much. And for the last one here, I'll show you, is my moringa. So most of these, let me see, I had these repotted June 4th. This one here is kind of weak. I'm not sure what's going on with it. We had a little rain today, so it's moist. I'll just pan over here and show you what I have going on. It's my moringa collection. See, the grass is kind of high. I've been trying to cut it, but the rain's not allowing it. So I'm gonna go in here and pinch some of these. So this one here, this one, and this one are my three first moringa trees that I planted. You can see the root, how it's growing there. It's finally catching. This one also just started catching again, and it developed a new baby right here that's coming in. This one around here. Let's see. So this one here, also, I'm not sure what's going on with it. I don't know if it's the rain wetting the leaves. And I let them dry out. Again, I let them dry out so not to make them too wet. Again, June 4th, you can see when I repotted them. And since I repot them, I just leave them and do their thing. I wet them every couple days. I check on them. See, I got yellow leaves. I was taking and dropping back in. So, but some of them are doing wonderfully, like this one here. Look at that. I first had to stake them, these little stakes. Here's one that I lost. I'm not sure what happened to him, but that's it. That's my Moringa collection. So these two here are doing wonderfully well, really well. So, any suggestions on these? I'm gonna pen down here so you can see them. They're beautiful. Some of them are beautiful. They got the dark green color. I can hardly wait to have my seeds. But this one's gotten tall. And I don't want to cut it yet. So, that's my checkup today on my garden. I'll start bringing more videos on these. I keep forgetting my cutters. I'm going to pop these yellow leaves and trim that. So, well, there's some other one of my spinach is going up there. So, well, there we have it. They smell beautifully, look beautiful. Most of them. Again, this one, I'm not sure what's going on with it. So, let's pinch that. And pinch it. That's what you do. Any advice you guys have, please put them in the comments down below. I'm trying to pinch it with my nails. It's not working. I can cut my nails. Yeah, and I'll just drop it in there. Any comments, please go ahead and leave it on the bottom in the comment section. And I ask you before you go to please like, subscribe, and share the video so the algorithm can pick these videos up. We much appreciate it. And here's to you here in Orlando, my little garden that I have going. Over here, a few papayas in pots that I have going. Oh, so let me tell you a quick story before we go. This here was just a stump. It was given to me initially by a friend, and I took it. Wasn't sure what to do with it. And he told me to stick it in the ground. So that's what I did. And all of a sudden now, it's probably, I forgot how long it's been. It's been in the ground. You can see it's crack on top. And all of a sudden it's just producing. It's just producing baby leaves, stems all around. So I'm keeping an eye on it, not doing much to it. Just dug a hole, put some good dirt in the bottom, and some mulch on top. It's doing wonderfully. Alright guys, I have one more show here. There's the last one I'm going to show you. There's my little moringa I put in the ground there as a test to see what it does. I'm not doing anything to it, I just stuck it in there. And she's growing. Have her staked up. It's getting stronger. When it gets a little bit longer, I'm gonna go ahead and clip her down. So once again, here's from Orlando. A little garden, got pineapples going here. So here we go. Much blessings to you, peace and love, and we'll catch you in the next video.